Haka examine higher secondary school leaving certificate arts u menang man kraw karkongor jong St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong but u gorof bharali jong St. Edmund'S High Secondary School kelabat lang ya ke Kyrdan ke Nyngkong haka top 10 kajing ken kelum ya ke pass percentage baro ke examine HSSLC kalong nyop kundai point nyop riu nak shispa apwe hajar praspa lai ngut naki apunyo hajar laispa nyop sangut ikna puli kiba naki aspa san puwaitli ki Skul ki balai kun ya ke examine HSSLC kabala pelong hak shispa santli ki jaka yale examine ki lapas agane ki examine ka Eastern West KHASI district la yo ya ka pass percentage ka babon tam ka balong kandai pu r point lai r na ka shispa ka ba ka baduna tam ka long ka South Garo Hills ka balong san punrio point lai po na ka shispa.
We live in this competitive world, so my advice is that you must be determined to achieve your goal.
I feel very overwhelmed. Yesterday, everyone was texting me that you'll get it. So I just got really nervous. So I cried also. But now I made it, so I'm happy. I didn't prepare like 5-6 hours. Of course I did. I put in a lot of work, but I took everything seriously, even for the smallest test, even if it's for 5 marks or oral. I just took it seriously because I don't want to keep it to the end moment. That's what I did. That was my strategy, and I.
Ka Nyngkong Public Secondary School